you will see we can make our love like it used to be.